Today, more than half of all human beings live in cities. As cities are becoming more and more our house, what we perceive as the most human habitat, we tend to forget that we are not the only inhabitants. And among all the species living with us, birds are probably the most visible. Researchers are studying non-human species that live with us, and we call them the liminal species. Here, in the University of Tartu, we are more specifically studying a strange, noisy and intelligent family, the corvids. Let me introduce you to Corvus cornix, Corvus frugilegus and Coloeus monedula. They were still corvus a few years ago, but taxonomy is a changing thing. All of them are social species, living in sometimes massive groups, foraging gardens and garbage, and being, well, people say nosy, but they prefer talkative. Corvids are intelligent and attentive species. They are able to use basic tools, to recognize human faces, and to remember a person that was mean to them. They usually don't attack humans, but in this precise case, they could make an exception. They are protective to each other and would try anything to protect their younglings or free their partner from a trap. Unlike other individuals or their species, corvids in Tartu are not migrating. They live here through the year, finding their food despite the snow, mainly by emptying human trash cans, like their cousins who live under warmer climate. Tartu is not the only city hosting these fascinating liminals. In Paris lives Corvus coron, a so close cousin that they were with Corvus cornix, still considered as the same species only a few years ago. If their behaviors are close, their nuances are studied in order to understand more about how different groups behave all around the world. Never tamed, but yet never far away from us, corvids are fascinating, living with us just upon our heads and just under our nose. Come and follow us on our scientific and poetic journey to learn more about this strange and brilliant species.